The hunt is on. For any serious collector, finding a chase car is like hitting the jackpot in the diecast world. But which ones are truly worth the hype? Welcome to Top Home Finds. Today, we're counting down the 5 best Hot Wheels chase cars every collector needs to complete their display. Before we dive into these rare gems, make sure to like this video and comment below with the best chase car you've ever found in the wild. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on all the best finds. Let's get started. First up is the LB Works McLaren 720S Hot Wheels. Here are some advantages of the LB Works McLaren 720S Hot Wheels model. Authentic Liberty Walk aesthetics. This model faithfully recreates the iconic LB Works Widebody kit, featuring the signature aggressive stance and aerodynamic enhancements that define the Liberty Walk brand. Intricate casting detail. From the massive rear wing to the precisely molded side skirts, this Hot Wheels version captures the complex geometry of the McLaren 720S with impressive accuracy for its scale. Premium component quality. As a top-tier collector piece, it typically features real riders' rubber tires and a full metal-on-metal construction, providing a realistic weight and a high-end tactile experience. Exceptional rarity and value. Especially in its chase variant, this specific casting is a highly coveted asset for collectors, often appreciating in value due to its limited production and high market demand. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Audi RS6 Avant. Here are some advantages of the Audi RS6 Avant Hot Wheels. Iconic wagon aesthetic. Faithfully replicates the aggressive Audi Sport widebody styling and signature super wagon silhouette. Detailed tampo work. Includes precision-printed headlights, taillights, and RS6 badging for enhanced realism. Accurate casting proportions. Captures the balanced, performance-driven dimensions of the real-world vehicle perfectly at scale. High market demand. A top-tier choice for European car enthusiasts, making it a valuable addition to any diecast collection. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Ferrari 499p Hot Wheels. Here are some advantages of the Ferrari 499p Hot Wheels. Championship heritage. Celebrates Ferrari's historic return to top-tier endurance racer as a tribute to the Le Mans-winning Hypercar. Aerodynamic accuracy. Faithfully captures the complex aero-sculpted silhouette and unique rear fin of the actual racing prototype. Authentic racing livery. Features the iconic Rosso Corsa paint and precision-applied decals for a high-quality professional appearance. Essential collector status. A high-demand casting for both Ferrari enthusiasts and fans of the FIA World Endurance Championship. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec 2 Hot Wheels model. Here are some advantages of the Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec 2 Hot Wheels model. Iconic JDM heritage. Replicates the legendary Godzilla status of the R34, making it a must-have for any Japanese performance car fan. V-Spec 2 specific details. Features model-accurate elements like the carbon fiber-style hood intake and precise V-Spec 2 badging. High appreciation potential. As one of the most sought-after JDM castings, it consistently maintains high resale and collector value. Superior casting quality. Showcases realistic proportions and iconic wheel designs that mirror the real-world performance icon. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the 07 Honda Civic Type R Hot Wheels model. Here are some advantages of the 07 Honda Civic Type R Hot Wheels model. iconic JDM heritage, captures the legendary FD2 generation, making it a cornerstone for Japanese performance car enthusiasts. Authentic Type R styling, features the signature high-performance rear wing and aggressive front-end design unique to the Type R badge. Precision graphic details, includes high-quality tampo work for the iconic red Honda emblems and performance-inspired trim. Strong collector demand, a highly desirable casting that consistently holds its value among both tuner fans and diecast collectors. Check the description for more details on this product. That wraps up our list. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. We truly appreciate your support and wish you the very best of luck in your collecting journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great finds. Happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next one.